everyone. My name is Jyoti Anchalkar and I will be your host today. Thank you for taking time out to attend today's webinar. I am part of eBay's seller education team, which is responsible for conducting webinars for training sellers like you about various eBay processes and best practices. These webinars are designed to help you grow your business and meet customer expectations. We hope that you will benefit from these webinars and apply the best practices in your business. Join our live webinars through the webinar calendar on export.ebay.com and get your questions answered in real time. The topic for today's webinar is Export Management Simplified with Seller Hub, which will focus on various features of Seller Hub and also help you to get ideas on how to use them for your business. Our webinar agenda is as follows. What is Seller Hub? Why use Seller Hub? Seller Hub features to sell smarter, view and manage your business activity, and then we will walk through some of the key takeaways. So let's begin. What is Seller Hub? Seller Hub is one single destination for all sellers, professional and business. Seller Hub helps you to stay on top of your business and helps you to manage, analyze, and accelerate your business at one place. Did you know the best part of Seller Hub is that is a free tool accessible for everyone. This is one consolidated tool with a modern streamlined interface that's easier to navigate, and it also provides you new ways to look at your sales, your selling cost, and the buyer traffic. So, why is eBay asking our sellers to use Seller Hub? Well, within Seller Hub, we have brought together all the tools and data you need to help you run your business more efficiently. So, if you're thinking why you should use Seller Hub, first of all, use Seller Hub to manage your listings. Find all the listing and reporting and order management functionality within Seller Hub. Secondly, use Seller Hub to monitor your business. Through Seller Hub, you can create custom dashboards to track listing activities, sales, cost, traffic data, and more. Plus, use Seller Hub to view payouts. You can view previous payouts and also find out when you will receive your next payout and also check if you have any funds on hold. And very importantly, why should you use Seller Hub? Well, use Seller Hub to analyze your business performance. You can receive personalized insights as well as tips to improve your business. So, now, before I proceed ahead on how does Seller Hub help you to sell smarter? As I had called out earlier, Seller Hub is the centralized place that allows you to monitor the overall status of your business, manage your listings, orders, receive metrics on the current performance of your business, access insights and guidance that can help you grow your business. So, how does Seller Hub help you to sell smarter? Let's have a look at that now. So, what does Seller Hub do? Seller Hub helps you to sell smarter through competitive listing guidance. The research tab in Seller Hub shows you the selling secrets that give you an advantage with your competitors. You can learn how to use features like product research or sourcing insights and beat your competitors with better insights. Secondly, Seller Hub helps you sell smarter through simplified listing management. Listing items to Seller Hub has never been faster. It is faster, easier than ever before. With Seller Hub's improved functionality, you can now list easier with a streamlined listing form, add photos directly in the form as you edit your listing, list variations in multi-quantity listing, and also edit live listings one by one or in bulk. Another important thing is Seller Hub will help you sell smarter through optimizing your selling strategy. The new performance tab in Seller Hub gives you detailed sales performance, sales history, including selling costs and fees breakdown, daily sales trends, best performing listings, monthly sales, sales by country, page views, and buyer traffic. And last but not the least, sell smarter through exclusive marketing tools. eBay store subscribers have easy access to marketing tools. All the tools you get within your eBay store subscription are easily accessible right in Seller Hub. You can manage your store's marketing activities in the Seller Hub's marketing tab, making it easy to manage your brand by telling buyers who you are and why they should buy from you, launch promoted listings to boost your items' visibility and reach more buyers, create promotions through Discounts Manager to get your items noticed and sell more items per visit. And last but not the least, send offers to buyers who are interested in your items. Now, let's take an overview on the various tabs that are available under Seller Hub that help you manage your business operations. The various tabs that are available within Seller Hub are Overview tab, Orders tab. You also have the Listings tab, Marketing tab, Advertising, Store tab, Performance, Payments, Research, and the Reports tab. So let's go ahead and have a peek into what exactly do these tabs do and how they help you. So first and foremost, let's have a look at the Overview tab. The Overview tab. When we talk about the Overview tab, Seller Hub's homepage looks like a dashboard of various elements which have a personalized snapshot of how your eBay business is performing. This is the Overview tab. Now, please know that there are 15 modules present within the Overview tab that can help you to tailor and display information that's most important to you. That is your task, your orders, your listings, feedback, along with instant access to frequently used actions and selling tools. Did you know that the Overview tab is customizable? There is a task pane that will be ranked as per urgency. A summary of the orders which tells you, that is the sellers, that you are making money. You can view, automate, and even leave feedback, check your sales and underperforming listings, and much more. Another important thing that I wanted to call out is within your Seller Hub, when we talk about the Overviews tab, it is important that you keep a tab of your monthly limits and the promotions tab that is available. So the promotional offers sections for any listing or selling offers you can apply to your business. Now, let's move to the next tab, which is the Orders tab. Selling activity is actually divided into three parts, right? So, what do I do before a sale? How do I make a sale? And what to do after the sale? So, when we talk about Orders tab, orders is everything that happens after the sale. From the time your buyers click on the Buy It Now tab or they commit to buy and they receive the item. It's everything that happens after the sale. So within the Orders tab, you can see tabs such as Awaiting Payment, Awaiting Shipment, Paid and Shipped. You can also see cancellations, refunds, cases open. Along with that, through the Orders tab, you can also print shipping labels. And yes, you can also set up return preferences from the orders tab on the left navigation tab. One more thing that you may have probably not noticed is that when you click on the orders tab, it by default goes to awaiting shipment. So, what happens is you know your promise to your buyers about shipment. So, the awaiting shipment tab will show all the orders that are awaiting for shipment. It also shows the handling time by when you are supposed to ship the item. Under the orders tab, you can view transactions on individual level by adding tracking details, print shipping label, leave feedback. You also have the option to print and download the report in case you are using any third-party shipping services. It's easier to download these. Plus, within the orders tab for each transaction, you can add a note for yourself and you can also view the buyer checkout notes in case the buyer has added any notes. The cancellation section will show both buyer and seller cancellations. It will show if it's requested by the buyer or by the seller. Likewise for returns, so you can check your open and closed returns. If you click on cases, it will take you to the resolution center. Return preferences, you can set up your automated preferences on returns. Orders page, if I have to say, it has been created in such a manner that it helps you, that is the sellers, maximize efficiency, accuracy, timeliness, meet standard requirements, and also increase customer satisfaction and sales. Now, that's a wholesome tab to actually look at every time. Let's look at another important tab, which is the listings tab. Well, this tab lets you list items individually or in bulk faster and easier. From the listings tab, you can go to create a listing. The best part of Seller Hub is that you can create single listing and multiple listings together. You can also edit, revise your listings up to 500 listings at one time. Add notes to your active listings. Plus, you also have the functionality of search with the filters that are available, or even do an advanced search. You can also use the option of creating listing templates. You can save and manage up to 50 listing templates. The listing tab has two important sections, if we have to say, which is automation policies and business policies. So you can set automation rules within your listing. Plus, you can set your business policies, that is your shipping policy, your return policy from the listings tab. One more important thing that is very much needed for you as sellers is knowing about item specifications. So from the listings tab, you can also download an item specifics file with listings that are missing, uh, item specifics such as required, soon to be required, recommended item specifications for you as a seller within Seller Hub active listings page. Now comes the marketing tab. The marketing tab is a tab that includes tips on how to grow your business, that is, managing your marketing activity. This tab offers you a full range of tools to build your brand, attract more buyers, and increase loyalty and sales more per visit. So, what can you do within your marketing tab? Within your marketing tab, you can create promotional campaigns, special offers, including markdown sales, launch promoted listings to boost your item visibility, create and manage buyer groups for personalized discounts or promotions. Plus, You can also connect your eBay account to your social platforms in just a few clicks and increase your reach and marketing potential. Now, through your marketing tab, you get access to detailed promotional campaigns to track and analyze your campaign performance from the one page, that is advertising board, which we would be looking at within the advertising tab. One thing that you need to please remember is that there are some tools within the marketing tab that are available only to the eBay store subscribers. Moving ahead on the advertising tab. Now, this is one tab that can help you to create and manage advertising campaigns to reach more buyers and drive sales. So, what can you do in the advertising tab? Now, within the advertising tab, what you can do is you can set up 3 different types of advertising campaigns, promote your listings with priority campaign strategy, generous campaign strategy. Plus, you can also attract interested buyers to your store with targeted ads, showcasing your top inventory with promoted stores. Highlight your eligible listings on popular external channels like Google with promote off-site ads. Plus, through the advertising tab, you can also discover the latest trends, research, and product information with advertising insights. So, here are some of the highlights with the new dashboard that you can already see on the screen. So, as a seller, you can now quickly understand your performance using new metrics to see the overall health of your promoted listing campaigns. You can toggle between campaign metrics, campaigns, metrics, time period filters to visualize your performance trends over the time and also analyze the effectiveness of campaign changes. Plus, as a seller, you can now see portions of the page without having to wait for the whole page to load, leading to more streamlined experience. The new advertising dashboard section is a seamlessly integrated section within Seller Hub that provides you simpler navigation and notification between pages, which makes it easier for you as a seller to check your advertising performance. Along with that, let me also inform you that as sellers on eBay, you can now quickly compare the performance between promoted listings and the organic listings, the performance of both these types of listings for all your promoted items. How does this help you? How does this comparison help you? This comparison helps you as a seller to create benchmarks for your campaigns and see the impact of promoted listings on your impression, clicks, and your overall sales metrics. Now, that is another wholesome tab that you as sellers really need to check out, right? Now, let's go ahead and check out the next tab, which is the Stores tab. The Stores tab is a tab that is located between the Marketing tab and the Performance tab. This tab is now the central place for all eBay store subscribers to manage and customize their store. This includes store categories, this includes store newsletters, subscriptions, store design, and features. Did you know that you can now select or hover over the Store tab in Seller Hub to see a drop-down menu of features, including the Edit Store page, store categories? Sellers who have still not subscribed for an eBay store can sign up for an eBay store subscription depending on your business performance and the type of business that you are dealing into, simply by selecting or hovering over the Store tab and then selecting Manage Subscription. Let's now talk about the tab that is just next to the store tab, which is the performance tab. So let's look at the performance tab. Now, when we talk about the performance tab is a tab that helps you to get helpful tips and information about how to grow your business. This is an easy to use tool that will allow you to track your sales, traffic, seller level, and service metrics. So, if you are really wanting to improve your sales and traffic and scale up your business, well, performance tab is your go-to tab. So let's understand how does this tab help you evaluate your business performance. So the performance tab helps you to see the quick summary of your business efficiency, as you can see on the screen. It also allows you to control your seller level. Plus, it helps you to monitor efficiency through data of your business. It helps you to generate and download sales reports, review your traffic data, and even download active listing traffic report. Plus, since we are all into service, customer service matters a lot to us. You, as a seller, can view the service metrics dashboard within the performance tab that will help you to compare your service level to other sellers with a similar selling profile. So please, it's easy to access your performance tab. So simply log into your eBay account and click on selling on your right hand side that you would view from the drop down. And once you click on selling, you would reach Seller Hub. And from Seller Hub, you can click on the performance tab. The section which is seller level on your left hand side will take you to your seller dashboard that will show you your seller standard, whether you are below standard, uh, above standard, or you are actually going to meet the metrics of an eBay top rated seller. So that's just a simple information about how you can access your performance tab. Let's go ahead and now look at the next section, which is the payments tab, which is of utmost importance for all of us. So look no further than the payments tab to track and manage all your eBay sales transactions. Check out where your funds are, how much your last payout was, and when the next one is coming in. The payments tab is the place you can monitor and manage your eBay payouts, expenses, and transaction reporting. So, what you can do is track all the transactions and payout you receive with the help of different filters and search options. Find detailed financial information and download your transaction report, payout report, tax invoice, and financial statement. And also see your eBay tax documents from the past year and a custom guide to help you navigate through this particular tab. Now, that brings us to the next tab, which is the research tab. So when we talk about the research tab, we are talking about understanding what to sell, when to sell, and how to sell. So the research tab is one tab that all sellers can take advantage of eBay's research tool that will help you to analyze on what to sell and what exactly are your competitors doing on the site. With free product research, you can find out what your competitors are doing, how they are doing it, and how you can improve your own listings on eBay. The next tab within research after product research is sourcing insights, which is available right now to qualifying seller store subscribers. Now, what does sourcing insights do? Sourcing insights helps you to get access to the real world sales data for every eBay category. Plus, you can also analyze markets, categories, and product performance to find out what to sell next. Well, sourcing insight should be your go to tab if you want to identify the top item specific combinations to get detailed insights on buyer demand and market inventory gaps. So you can fill these gaps and thereby help your business to scale up. Now, we come to the last tab, which is the reports tab. So when we talk about the reports tab, explore helpful tools to use within multiple listings, download reports, and upload files to help increase business efficiency is what is done through the reports tab. In the reports tab, you will get a broad view of how your listings are set up and help you identify patterns and areas of optimization. The reports tab makes it easier specifically for high volume sellers to manage their eBay business in bulk. Using templates, you as sellers can create and upload files to add, revise, relist, and even end listings. Here are some of the many things that you can do through Seller Hub reports is quickly create listings in bulk, create, download or schedule reports, fulfill orders, mark items as dispatched, find the items that have been paid or shipped, manage feedback, identify and fix errors in your listings in bulk. Now, we are done with all the tabs that are present within Seller Hub. Let's quickly have an overview on the key takeaways. Well, we did understand that Seller Hub is packed with vital information that helps you to effectively monitor, manage, and grow your eBay business. So, what is required from you? Get comfortable with Seller Hub. It's your very own business performance dashboard, which is packed with critical information and insights that help you to grow. Go ahead, first of all, go ahead and customize your overview page within Seller Hub to create a at a glance view of the information that's most useful to you. Secondly, familiarize yourself with eBay's seller performance ratings and the evaluation process to help maintain buyers' trust in our eBay marketplace. Well, be proactive in addressing buyer concerns and ensure you are consistently delivering excellent service to your customers. And how will you do that? Through managing your performance, your service metrics, checking out for how your campaigns, your promoted listing campaigns are performing, and much more. Always try to aim to become an eBay top rated seller or get that status so that you can enjoy discounts and other valuable perks. Make the most of the delegation and automation tools that are within Seller Hub, such as time away, feedback automation, when you need a break or a helping hand. Manage your feedback. Look at the feedback that buyers are leaving for you, analyze that, which will help you to build a positive reputation so that buyers can buy with confidence from you. And that is all for today's webinar topic. We hope that the information shared today has been useful to you. Do keep joining us for our forthcoming training webinars. Keep checking the webinar calendar on export.ebay.com. Before we wrap up, make sure you hit that subscribe button on our YouTube channel. You'll gain access to all our latest videos, which are packed with tips and tricks to streamline your eBay selling experience. Don't miss out. The links are mentioned in the description. We will see you soon in the next webinar. Goodbye.